Yo, what's up everybody? It's King Camry. Welcome back to a new video, man. I've been trying to get this video out for you guys for a long time, but with so much stuff going on for the Camry, you know, it's been very hard to push this video out, but today we are finally going to be dropping this video for all of you guys that had so many questions on where I did get my TRD parts. And for like 1,000 times, all my TRD parts were actually, they weren't purchased from the Toyota dealer, so that's why I never really pushed out links, pushed out information on where you guys can pick it. But today, that is exactly why we're doing this video. So when somebody asks, I can redirect them and send them the link to this video, because I'm going to be dropping all the information on this video. A link of the TRD wing that's been asked out of a lot of the parts that the TRD has. I'm going to be putting out the links out of everything, the TRD wing, the side skirt, the rear bumper diffuser, and the front bumper lip. Now, as far as fitment, and a few of you guys may ask, hey man, how's the fitment? The fitment is perfect. You guys seen, and the proof is there on my channel. I have installed all these TRD parts onto my regular Camry XSE. This can fit your SE. A few parts may and may not fit on the LE, but overall, you know, if you're trying to do the TRD conversion on the exterior of your XSE, it's going to be very possible. Just keep in mind, you do have to do a lot of modifications, and it is not a cheap project. It is very expensive if you do buy these parts from Toyota. And my recommendation is try to get them used. That's what I did. I had TRD friends that managed to sell them to me because they went with a whole nother thing, so that was pretty cool for me. So I didn't spend that much, you guys, but overall, if you guys do want to have a clean slate and get these parts from Toyota, get ready, because you're gonna not only spend in the parts, but you are also gonna be spending in paint. So, and out here where I live, painting a part goes for like at least 200 each. So imagine if you want to paint 2 side skirts, a diffuser, a front lip, and you know, a spoiler, you know, that's five parts, and you do the math, it's very expensive. If you guys do want to get these TRD parts, I'm going to be dropping the links down below, and also I'm going to be giving you guys the part numbers on this video. So make sure you guys watch the whole thing so you guys won't miss out every single part, and you guys can go to the links down below. These are original OEM TRD parts. These are not eBay parts, so they will be way more expensive. Also, keep in mind, you guys, that you are going to be buying directly from Toyota, so it is 100% trustworthy. These are links that they're actually from their company, from the Toyota brand. So like, don't, you know, think twice about ordering stuff. As a matter of fact, you can actually order something and then go pick it up directly at their dealer. I'm not sponsored or anything, but I'm just trying to give out the best information for you guys, so you guys don't have to do more runarounds than what there is needed. There was also something I wanted to say. Oh, bins. If you guys order online, I think they may require bins for your orders. And if you do not have a TRD VIN, then you are not going to be able to order it. The dealer may or may not want to sell it to you, because the TRD is limited. It is excluded from all the Camrys. It is a Toyota racing development. You know, this thing is, they made it different for a reason. So for me to have been able to do that, you know, shows that, I guess it's, you know, it's, I don't want to get into that business, but you guys probably understand what I'm trying to say. I got respect for the V6, I got respect for TRD, but you know, if you want to make yourself a TRD, and probably, you know, a few owners are going to hate this video because you guys are going to be able to do it now. I mean, I've done it. You guys can do it, you guys. Just, you know, double check with your dealer if they can sell it to you. I know a couple people that actually purchased parts already from their dealership. These are from the Toyota parts dealer. They are gonna be deciding whether to sell to you or not. If they're cool, they're gonna be selling. They want to make money. If they see that you have a Camry XSE or something that's not a TRD, then they may think about it twice. But if they're cool, they won't ask you for a VIN, you guys. I don't want to really talk about this too much because it's really, I mean, you guys could buy it. Just try to avoid them to ask you for your VIN. And if they do ask you for a VIN, a way to get out of this, to get around it, is if you have a friend that owns a TRD and he can let you borrow his VIN and you can buy a TRD part like that. That would be your solution if they were to not want to sell to you. But yeah, you guys, that's all I gotta say, man. There's not really much going on for now. This is just a video that I really wanted to drop today for you guys, because I promised this video a while back, and you know, finally you guys get this. And if you guys ever have questions on where I bought stuff, you know, I could just send you guys this link and be on my way, man. But that's about it, you guys. As you guys can see, the Camry is chilling, the King Camry build. I mean, there's a lot of stuff I still got to do, you guys, and I'm just trying to take it slow, trying to take care of my money also, because that's also important. I hope you guys continue to enjoy my videos. Stay tuned for a lot of videos, a lot of sponsors that I'm gonna have to drop out that you guys are gonna be seeing on this channel, and also more mods. I'm not done yet, so keep that in mind, that we are not finished, you guys. We are not even close to being done. So yeah, man, thank you so much for all the support you guys been giving the Project TRD videos, and also the channel and the King Camry build. I thank you guys and hope to see you guys soon. Don't be strangers. Leave a like, leave a comment, man. Stay safe, everybody. Peace out.